everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is CRISTINA SURYA and here we go again, another vlog in English for you guys. So the story begins like this. I am an international model that used to travel to Asia in the last 7 years. I started my modeling career mostly around that area beside Romania. It's been a beautiful experience. I did so many jobs and I gained so much experience. My modeling career in Indonesia been great because that is where I spend the most of the time. I did fashion modeling, I did catalog modeling, so photo shoots, fashion and catalog and fashion shows and TVCs. I got so many TVCs. Acting is one of my biggest passions that later in the vlog you will know as well that it's a dream that came true. I am just super grateful for everywhere my life took me, and yeah, well, this is another introduction of me for you guys because so many of you are new here. Thank you so much for checking out my channel, for checking out my videos, and I'm very grateful for you all. Okay, so regarding my modeling career in Indonesia, as I told you before, it's been amazing, a super beautiful experience. The people there are amazing, people are friendly, people are kind and patient. I do believe and I consider Indonesia is my second house, as my second home, because well, I do believe that beside Indonesia giving me a very good career as an independent woman, but as well it changed me to be a better person. It taught me how to be more patient, more kind and more understanding, in my opinion. Okay, moving on from the nostalgia. I started afterwards in 2019. Oh yeah, in the meantime, while my modeling career and between going to be an actor to starting my acting career, I took a 1.5 year break from modeling and any other job because I had my son. I was pregnant for 1.5 years. And I like to, no, I haven't been pregnant for 1.5 years. I've been pregnant only for 9 months, but after, as I like to say, I was busy being fat. So as you know, modeling standards are different than a mom body. Okay, so after I got pretty fast back in shape, around 7 months it took me, and right after having my little blessing, my little tudor, I got the first open casting for a movie, and guess what? I took it. So in 2019 I played in The Sacred Rihanna. The shooting actually took place in 2018 when my baby was just 9 months old, and was released in 2019. There I played as a ghost. No, it's actually 2 different ghosts and as a person. So I had a multiple role in my first movie, were small roles, but it was really, I felt so grateful, and so it was such a unique experience because I've never played in a movie before. So this as a start, as seeing how it feels to be actually part of such a huge team and such a big production, and it's been really like a very beautiful experience. Afterwards, in 2019 and 2020, I shoot for my other 2 movies that are called Serigala Langit and On Rust. In Serigala Langit, it's an action movie. I was a member of the UN, United Nations, and I was causing all the trouble in the movie, so you guys can go and check it out. It's been released already this year in 2021. Actually, the movie On Rust, it's been released as well in 2021. It's as well a horror movie, same like my first movie. Indonesians like me for being a ghost because, well, I am tall, skinny, and I fit very well a ghost, impersonating a ghost with all that white makeup and powder on my face. In the On Rust movie, I do play in the throwback as a human and in the present life as a ghost. It's a beautiful story, and it's actually based on the history of the island On Rust, that is based on yeah, very close by to the Jakarta. It's actually the first small island out of the 1,000 islands close to Jakarta. So yeah, all this experience led me to being a better person, as I told you before, that I am very grateful for. Okay, And almost 3 years ago, in February 2019, I started my content creator experience as well, another very unique and super nice experience. So it took place everything, I started everything doing it home and starting to introduce myself to you guys. In this folder you can find as well my first introduction. My hair was super blonde, so I started my experience as a content creator, as a YouTuber. My YouTube is mostly about traveling. I've been almost in the whole Indonesia. I've traveled so much. I love adventure. I've been to the beach in Indonesia, and I want to tell you a secret. If you check out my YouTube channel, it's not only Bali that's breathtaking. I've been to so many islands. It's just heaven on earth. You know how you hear many times that Bali and Indonesia, it's a heaven on earth? It's true. It's all true. It's been great, such a beautiful experience. I did surfing, I tan, but I don't tan, I just burn myself in Indonesia. What I did, I've been to the mountainside. They have amazingly beautiful mountainside as well. So you see, this is also what I want and what I wanted to show to the world about Indonesia, that Indonesia, beside the beaches that they are so famous for, they have mountainside that's just breathtaking. It's a country that just got it all. That's why I fall in love with the places, with the people, with just everything. And even my career was booming, and such a beautiful experience. Okay, so don't forget as well that you guys that are from outside Indonesia can check out my traveling vlogs. Most of them, my adventures, have subtitles in English as well. So I hope you guys can go and check it out and understand what I'm talking and what I'm presenting you in those videos. Yeah, so this is who I am. This is me, Cristina Surya. I am a mother. That's my main job. I am an international model. I'm an actress, and I am as well a content creator. Beside YouTube, I am as well active on TikTok. With this whole pandemic, moving back to Romania as well, it's been pretty tricky to travel and to make YouTube as well. Being back to Romania, it's been quite challenging, because here to make YouTube videos with a camera, with a professional camera, usually you need a lot of documents to be signed and approved by higher authorities. So yeah, but I want to go back to my vlogging, because this is how I started my content creator career in the first place. And I promise you I will try my best to continue doing vlogs. I will switch between English and Indonesian, as most of my community, it's Indonesian, and I'm very grateful that you guys are so international now on my YouTube channel as well. As I told you before, my TikTok is as well very active. Due to this pandemic, I started creating a lot of videos over there as well. My username is Cristina Surya, or Bule, and as well my Instagram, it's very active at the moment with all the reels going on. You can find me at _official or Cristina Surya. I will put some links for you in the description down below. You can check it out, and I think that is all for me from now. I hope you guys enjoyed. I am waiting for your reviews and what would you like to see more on my channel. Untuk orang Indonesia aku yang nonton, semoga mengerti ya, dan jangan marah-marah sama saya kalau lagi bahasa Inggris, tapi ada banyak viewer yang internasional juga, jadi saya mau introduce sekali lagi diri sendiri. Semoga sehat-sehat terus, dan jangan lupa support terus ya semua social media Batina Bule. Okay guys, thank you very much for being here, for watching. Send you all the positive vibes, all the best, and until we meet in the next vlog. Bye bye, take care.